Honderde voornemende brandweermanne het donderdag by die ou abattoir in Maitland saamgetrek om aan die Kaapstadse brand- en reddingsdienste se eerste ronde van kering deel te neem. Om na die volgende ronde te vorder, moet die deelnemers 2,4 km binne 11 minute aflê, 30 opsitte in 60 sekondes uitvoer, 15 bankdrukke met 'n gewig van 25 kg doen en 2 25 liter houers water 100 meter ver dra. In die tweede ronde skryf die voornemende brandweermanne 'n begrips- en wiskundetoets en in die derde ronde wag 'n hoogtevrees en engtevrees toets. Slaag hulle die ronde, kry hulle 'n werksonderhoud waarna 'n doktersafspraak volg. Daar is slegs sowat 20 posse beskikbaar, so die mededinging is straf. Nathaniel Peterson van Kuilsevier het die eerste ronde voltooi. Tell me, Nathaniel, why are you have to train for firemen?
Opportunity to come and just try out. I actually came with my brother yeah. Just to more support for him now. But I decided to myself now that I'd rather go full out here and do my best just to gain the opportunity that I have.
Okay, and how tough was this round of training?
The running was a bit hectic at the end with the last straight, but otherwise the lifting of the weights and stuff like that, it was very easy, light, if I may say so. It wasn't that tough. If I can put it like that.
And the carrying of the bottles?
It was heavy on the arms a bit, heavy on the arms, but it was effective, good for the muscles. By the first round of it, and I hope the next round will be better, but I know it will be more strenuous than it was today.